Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Johnny's workshop. Tonight we're going to have a go on the 3D printer, and I've got a small project for a club mate of mine, Graham Gillingham. He wanted some wheels making for this little dolly trolley that he's making to help take off some of his aircraft that haven't got any undercarriage. So I said I'd make him some wheels for this trolley. They're sort of a special design. They actually look more like a V pulley, only a small version of, if you like. And I'll turn the camera around and you'll be able to see exactly what I've been, up to. So now you're looking at the computer screen, my laptop, and you can see I've drawn up half of the pulley wheel, if you like. I've decided to make this wheel in two halves, and that's purely to aid manufacture when it goes onto the 3D printer, so I don't have to use supports or anything. This will speed up the manufacture, also save a little bit of plastic. Not as if I'm bothered about that, but it just give a better overall finish. So if you like, this is the bottom pulley wheel that I've drawn up. If I rotate it slightly, you probably get a better idea of what I've done. So if I rotate it down, you can see the outside diameter, the angle face here, which is like the inside of the pulley, and then on the inside I've made a recess, and this is purely to locate the top half, which is basically a mirror image of what you can see now, only with the tongue on, and I'll show you that one next and you'll be able to see what we're doing. That's the top of the pulley wheel, and if I rotate that, you'll perhaps be able to see a bit clearer on how it goes together. If I just rotate that up, hold on a sec. It's really hard to do when you're on the phone. If I rotate that up, you can see this center section is going to locate into that pocket on the other half, and all I'll do is just glue them together, and that will make the pulley. Once I've drawn it up, which took me probably about 15 minutes to draw both sides up, so it didn't take long to do, you send this through to your slicer software, which actually chops this model into hundreds of different slices, and that's how it's actually built up on the printer. Now I'm on the last one, printing on the machine. I'll take you over to the 3D printer now so you can see it working. I've also made these hollow with a 15% infill, so they're not solid plastic. It is actually a honeycomb on the inside, and hopefully we can catch that now. So if we go over to the 3D printer and take a look, see how it's getting on. So let me see what you can see there. It's really hard to get it on my phone in the right position, to be fair. Nearly finished. You can see it forming. If you look closely at the top, you can just see the honeycomb where the machine's working now. So that one is probably within about 15 minutes at the most of finishing. We'll take a look at that when it's finished. So if you go back over to the computer, I've actually printed a few off, as you can see here. You can see the male and the female. I've got two here so we can zoom in a little easier. So if I just flip the one part over, and that will go on top like so, and then if I turn it up on its edge, you can see it does actually look like a pulley wheel. It'll just need a drop of sino in the middle just to hold the two halves together, but as you can see, it's made a really tidy job of it. If I squeeze it together, you can hardly see that join in the middle as well. So I'm really pleased with that. I think Graham will be happy, and I'm sure it'll do the trick. We'll soon find out at the weekend when I deliver the parts to him. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe to my channel and keep up with other workshop antics as I go along through the year. Okay folks, thank you very much. Bye bye.